This is Daily Tech Mike, and I have a brand new video on an article that I was reading at bestmbno.com regarding to Visible launching on Walmart.com. So let's take a look at this article on bestmbno.com. It says here Visible launches midnight phone at Walmart.com. Is store launch pending? And here's a picture of what it looks like on the website. Visible midnight phone and plan bundle now at Walmart.com. Visible has launched its Visible midnight phone at Walmart.com for $99. The launch appears to have taken place on April 1st and was first noted by a Redditor. The launch date is further supported by data from the Wayback Machine. The Visible midnight phone comes bundled with service for 1 month of Visible unlimited phone plan. According to Walmart.com, you can buy the phone and start your service without any payment details needed for the first month of service. Visible sells the phone through its own website for $100 without any service included. However, customers going through Visible website can get the midnight for free with a device trade-in. The Visible Midnight is the first phone sold by Visible through Walmart.com and appears to be the first phone ever sold by the company outside of Visible's own website. It is an entry-level phone with the following specifications: 6.5 inch 720p by 1600p HD plus LCD display, a budget entry-level MediaTek Helio P22 MT6762 2 GHz octa-core process. What does that mean in English? Budget specs, budget processor. Triple rear camera with a 13 megapixel lens, with a 13 main lens and a 5 megapixel ultra wide, plus a 2 megapixel depth secondary lens and a 8 megapixel front facing selfie camera. A 4000 milliamp battery with wireless charging support and wireless charger included. A 32 gigabyte of internal storage, expandable with a micro SD card, 3 gigs of RAM. It supports LTE bands. Again, it supports LTE bands only 2, 4, 5, 12, 13, 66. Again, 2, 4, 5, 12, 13, 66. 4G LTE bands only. It says here, last November, Best MVO reported that Visible began selling a Walmart exclusive starter plan. The Walmart plan also new customers 3 months of unlimited service for just $60 total, or an average of $20 a month. Visible normally costs $25 a month for subscribers that are in a party pay group and $40 for those that are not. In order for Visible to launch in Walmart stores, it would have to completely reverse course on its long-standing sales strategy. Visible has always maintained itself as an online brand. In fact, the company, which is backed by Verizon Towers, launched in 2018 and first marketed itself with the slogan Visible its phone service in an app. The slogan seems to have since been retired. Visible's website currently features the new slogan, "Wireless made for the single life." Again, the new slogan is "Wireless made for the single life." It matches the theme of some recent TV commercials that Visible has been airing, which highlights that you can get a phone plan for just $25 a month without a family. The likelihood of Verizon launching Visible in Walmart stores seems to be increasingly day by day. There has been a slow rollout of a few SIM card and plan options at Walmart.com, including the 3 months offered described above, and a standalone SIM card for $3 and a 1 month for $25. And now there's a new phone and plan bundle out available. Visible has also gone one step further by launching its own branded landing pad on Walmart.com, which you can check out here. Well, looks like in this article that Visible is branching out, and now Walmart.com is offering Visible and its first phone, besides offering it on Visible only at Walmart.com. And it also, you can get SIM card, you can get a 3 month plan, and many more. If you're interested in Visible and you don't want to go to their website, or you don't want to deal with the hassle of buying it from the Visible website, you can go to Walmart.com and buy it there. And if you're interested in the Midnight phone, it will be available at Walmart.com. It is a 4G LTE phone, no 5G. And thanks for watching this video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you're a past viewer, please resubscribe. And also, if you are first time viewer and just passing through, please like this video also. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.